Ciao YouTube, welcome to my channel Jessie Sunflower. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for some amazing, delicious, healthy black bean brownies. So make sure you stick around for this video because I promise you will love these brownies. They are definitely a keepsake recipe. So here's all the ingredients that you'll be needing. Coconut oil, try to use organic if you can, cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, black beans, honey, unpasteurized if you can, kosher salt, oats, and chocolate chip. Dark chocolate would be better. And here's the actual recipe for the black bean brownies. You could pause the video, write it down, screenshot, whatever you need to do, guys. But you have to try these. So just gather all your ingredients and throw them in the blender. My personal recommendation on the easiest way to do this is try to think about it as solid food, liquid, solid, liquid, solid, liquid, so that the blender actually has an easier time. So I always start with the black beans, and then I'll add honey, and then I'll do the oats, and then I'll do the cocoa powder and the baking powder, and just go something like that so it's easier on your blender as well. Then just pour your batter into a baking pan. Make sure you got some parchment paper in there. It's easier to clean too, so it's a win-win. You could add more chocolate chips at this point if you want to. Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing great. I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys that you really should try these brownies. Don't be hesitant that they have black beans in them. I know it sounds a little weird, but it's actually really good, and you could kind of eat them like guilt-free. Oh, sorry my hair's a mess, by the way. I just got off work, so let's not even worry about it. Okay, so first ingredient, black beans. Really high in protein, really good for you. Cocoa powder is great. Oats, just do steel cut oats. Make sure they don't have like any added sugar from the grocery store in them. You're all good. Kosher salt, unpasteurized honey if you can. Vanilla extract is good for you. Baking powder, organic coconut oil. Chocolate chips is literally the only thing that is a little unhealthy for you, but just use dark chocolate chips if you're really worried about it. Dark chocolate is actually really high in magnesium, and it's really good for you. Women in particular need a lot of magnesium, so it's a win. And you could always leave out the chocolate chips because the cocoa powder acts as your chocolate anyway in the brownies. I have made these for quite a few people now, and I've literally not had a bad review on them. Everybody loves them. They're absolutely great right out of the oven, but personally I like them when they sit in the fridge and you have them the next day. Oh my gosh, scrumptious. Just one more thing, I put that you could use milk in the recipe to help with the thickness when it's blending, if you're short some kind of liquid and it's too dry and it's not blending. If you're vegan and if you want to avoid milk in general, just add some water, but make sure you add a little bit of cocoa powder too and some extra ingredients so that it's not like watered down. So if you happen to try them, let me know. I would love to hear how you like them. Comment below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.